He's really praying. The Chalukyas were knocked out by the Rashtrakutas in 757. We'll find out if his prayers are actually being heard. Well, this time his prayers have been heard! St. John's, Chandigarh have qualified. They are absolutely delighted. Their prayers have been heard. In third spot, we've got the boys from APJ Nerul, Navi Mumbai. Wonderful performance. APJ Nerul, Navi Mumbai. And in fourth spot, it's Hilltop Jamshedpur. But after the break, it will be Hiranandani Powai, Mumbai against St. John's, Chandigarh in level 3. All this on the other side of this break. Welcome back to this absolutely amazing quarterfinal. It's been really competitive, and it's a pity only one team will make it. Will it be Hiranandani Mumbai or the team from the North Zone, St. John's, Chandigarh? India's #1 model turned actor, and a little girl in the audience called him hot. Here he is, Milind Soman. Milind, thank you very, very much. You've come back to the show after many years. Thanks very, very much. You're looking the same.
Many years you make me sound old.
Oh, no, you're very young. Young at heart, young at heart. Milind, let's get back to your school days. Champion swimmer or was it diver?
Swimmer.
You were a very, very keen sportsman. Now, how important were academics to you?
Academics were very important because, I mean, for an Indian family, I mean, that is the basis of growth. You know, they have to do well in school. Your parents always encourage you to study. Sports does take second place. But for me, swimming was the passion in my life then.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have 3 sisters. And we all represented Maharashtra.
And all of you were passionate about swimming?
Completely, yeah.
Great. You drive past, someone recognizes you, you go to a restaurant. I think, does that give you a kind of a juice to kind of go on in life? Recognition?
It does, definitely, because with the recognition comes a lot of affection. And that is necessary for growth, for anybody, for you to feel wanted, for you to feel a part of the system.
What will you be doing in the year 2022?
I'll be fat and happy.
Milind, it's always a pleasure talking to you. And now you've got to ask the questions. We finished level 1, level 2. It's level 3. The first question is for Hiranandani Mumbai from Milind.
What edible item is made from the latex of the sapodilla tree? Are you trying? Chandigarh?
Chewing gum.
Chewing gum. Chewing gum is absolutely right.
Chewing gum is right. Wonderful. St. John's, Chandigarh. Okay, St. John's, Chandigarh from Milind.
Which organization's motto is duty unto death?
BSF, Border Security Force.
DSF is absolutely correct.
On the buzzer, the Chipko movement leader, Sundarlal Bahuguna, is protesting against the building of which dam? St. John's, Chandigarh.
Tehri Dam.
That is brilliant. St. John's, Chandigarh. Excellent. Question 2. Tobey Maguire played a superhero in which recent Hollywood film? St. John's, Chandigarh.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, he's confident it is Spider-Man. 10 points to St. John's, Chandigarh. Good. Who is Queen Mahamaya's most famous baby? Not trying. The answer is Buddha. What is equal to 30.48 centimeters? Hiranandani Mumbai.
A yard.
A yard minus 10, it's a foot. 1 foot is equal to 30.48 centimeters. Number 5, which famous dancer's real name is Pandit Brij Mohan Nath Mishra? St. John's.
Birju Maharaj.
Birju Maharaj is Pandit Brij Mohan Nath Mishra. Yes, St. John's, Chandigarh, 10 again. And the last one of this round, purely academic, because it looks like St. John's, Chandigarh have qualified, but doesn't matter. Unscramble the word late to find the story. Yes, Hiranandani Mumbai.
Tail.
T-A-L-E-L-E-T. Well done, Hiranandani Mumbai. But qualifying for the semi-final in style, St. John's, Chandigarh are through to the semi-final. In second spot, we've got Hiranandani Mumbai. And before we go away, a little word with St. John's, Chandigarh. St. John's, how many?
Yes.
Both of you. Oh, he's excitable. And you're not. You're not excitable. You are excitable. Yes. Okay, I hope your mother is watching. Well, from all of us here on the Cadbury Bournvita Quiz Contest, we'll see you next week with another excitable quarterfinal. Till then, from all of us here, Derek O'Brien, Milind, and all of us, good afternoon. It's semi-final time here on the Cadbury Bournvita Quiz Contest. We've completed the preliminary rounds, we've completed the quarterfinals, we've identified 8 semi-finalists. 4 of these semi-finalists will be in action today. 2 of these semi-finalists will qualify for the final. But before we get down to the serious business of quizzing, let's meet the team. Here we go. The first team.
I am Shubham from Jaipuriya School, Jaipur.
And what's your name?
नमस्कार, I am Mohit Bhagwati.
Can you give us one छोटा सा funny सा joke?
एक बार एक पिताजी अपने बेटे को समझा रहे होते हैं कि लोगों से कैसे बातचीत करनी है, उनको क्या क्या बताना है। वो कहते हैं कि कोई आए तो उन्हें नमस्ते करके सोफे पे बिठाइए और कहिए कि हमारे पापा जी आ रहे हैं। तो उनके घर मेहमान आते हैं तो वो उनसे कहता है, आइए बेवकूफ जी, गधे पे बैठिए, मैं अभी उल्लू के पट्टे को बुला के लाता हूँ।
Okay, that's lovely. Here we go. We've got the team from Ghaziabad.
Hi, I am Shubhankar Ghosh.
Shubhankar from Silver Line, Ghaziabad. And you?
Hi, I am Mukul Gupta.
Both of you quizzed very well, but I can only allow one of you to tell us a joke. So who's it going to be?
एक बार 2 लड़के लड़ाई कर रहे थे।
2 लड़के. अच्छा. You and him. Okay, good.
उसमें से एक लड़का कहता है कि मेरे पापा अच्छे हैं, दूसरा कहते हैं नहीं मेरे पापा ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं। तो फिर वो बच्चा दोबारा कहता है मेरी मम्मी अच्छी है, तो दूसरा बच्चा कहता है हाँ मेरे पापा भी यही कहते हैं।
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. That's the joke from Ghaziabad. The third semi-finalist, also from the North Zone, St. John's, Chandigarh. St. John's, good morning and welcome. What's your name?
Hi, I am Brijdeep Singh.
Brijdeep. And your friend here?
I am Manshu.
And the joke is from who? Brijdeep or you? Brijdeep's going to tell us a joke. Okay, go for it, Brijdeep.
Once there was a crow. He was very, very hungry. Utto pendi si ag. So he saw pani da jug. The pani was very, very thoda. So he katthe karing the roda.
Roda is stone, right?
Yeah. Rode naal pani utte aa gaya. So wo pani pee ke o gaya. Now tell me the moral of the story.
No idea.
Where there is pani thoda, there has to be a roda.
Oh, lovely. Okay, the fourth of our teams, here they are. They've won a quarter-final. That's why they're here in the semi-final. Let's meet the team from Allahabad.
Hi, I am Ankit.
Ankit. And?
I am Vibhor.
And now we'll have our fourth and last joke.
गणपत राय का एक बार इंटरव्यू में सिलेक्शन हो गया, उसका 3रा नंबर था। वो जाता है तो पहला इंटरव्यू दे के निकलता है तो कहता है भाई साहब क्या पूछा, तो कहा कुछ नहीं ऐसे ही जनरल क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे, तो निकल जाता है। दूसरा आदमी आता है, कहा भाई साहब क्या पूछा, कहा यही पूछा कि भारत के पहले प्रधानमंत्री कौन थे, तो कहता है आपने क्या कहा, मैंने कहा जवाहरलाल नेहरू। कहा दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्या था, कहा कि भारत को स्वतंत्रता कब मिली, तो कहा आपने क्या कहा, तो वो उत्तर देता है कि 1857 में प्रयास चालू हुआ था, 1947 में सफलता मिली। कहा अर्थ गोल है कि चौकोर, तीसरा प्रश्न, तो कहा आपने क्या कहा, तो उत्तर देता है कि गोल है लेकिन कोई इसे प्रूफ नहीं कर पाया, कहते तो सब है लेकिन कोई इसे प्रूफ नहीं कर पाया। तो जाता है तो कहता है आपका नाम, तो कहता है जवाहरलाल नेहरू। तो कहता है आपका जन्म कब हुआ, कहा 1857 में प्रयास चालू हुआ लेकिन सफलता 1947 में मिली। तो उसमें एक इंटरव्यू जो लेता रहता है वो पूछता है आर यू मैड, कहता है लोग तो कहते हैं लेकिन कोई प्रूफ नहीं कर पाया।
I must say, all those jokes were very, very good, but I particularly liked the Allahabad one. I'm sure you two have a point of view, but we'll come back with some serious quizzing on the semi-final on the other side of this break. The jokes are over. I'm all set to pop the first question here on the semi-final of the Cadbury Bournvita Quiz Contest. Jaipur, your time will start now. What is a polished or smooth surface that forms images by reflection called a laser or a mirror?
A mirror.
Good. Which of these universities is in England? Yale or Oxford?
Oxford.
Good. The juice of which fruit is added to rasam? Tamarind or mango?
Tamarind.
Good. Which play by Shakespeare means a small village? Hamlet or Tempest?
Hamlet.
Good. Which planet in the solar system completes the revolution around the sun in 365.25 days?
Earth.
Good. If you were on holiday in South Africa, which currency would your family use?
Dollar.
No, and what's the word?
Mother.
Yes, Jaipur. They've got off to a fantastic start. And now Silver Line Ghaziabad. Silver Line, all set. Your chance to score 70 points. Silver Line, Your time will start now. In cricket, all members of the fielding team can bowl. Am I serious or joking?
Serious.
Good. India is still a part of the Commonwealth. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Good. If you were measuring them well, which is the longer river? The Danube or the Volga?
Volga.
Good. Carpenter, pharaoh and fire are different types of which creature? The ant or the bee?
The ant.
Good. Which five-letter word comes before land, revolution and goblin?
Bike.
No. Expand the E in UAE.
Emirates.
Good. And what's the word?
Seven.
Yes, brilliant work there from Silver Line, Ghaziabad. Excellent, excellent, very, very good work. And now from Ghaziabad, it's across to St. John's, Chandigarh. St. John's, Chandigarh, your time will start now. Which present-day city was founded by the Romans who called it Londinium? London or Rome? Rome. Incorrect. By what name is the strip of land connecting two large land masses separated by sea called? An isthmus or a delta?
Isthmus.
Good. Who among these players plays for Baroda? Zahir Khan or Ajit Agarkar?
Ajit Agarkar.
Is wrong. What is the correct term for surgically removing an arm? Amputate or anesthetic?
Amputate.
Good. What is the popular four-letter word for the coating of iron oxide formed on iron or steel?
Rust.
Good. Which famous hill station in West Bengal begins with the letter D?
Darjeeling.
And what's the word?
Desert.
Yes, St. John's, Chandigarh. We've got up to a wonderful start. This promises to be a real humdinger. MPVM Allahabad, your time starts now. Which is larger, a grape or a grapefruit?
Grapefruit.
Good. Birbal was a close friend of which Mughal emperor? Akbar or Aurangzeb?
Akbar.
Good. Who established the RK Studios? Raj Kapoor or Prithvi Raj Kapoor?
Raj Kapoor.
Good. All the 64 football matches of the 2002 FIFA World Cup were played in a single country. Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Good. Which seven-letter word is the official residence of an ambassador?
Pass.
Which actor would you meet in the films Tridev, Mora and Monsoon Wedding? Which actor?
Pass.
And what's the word?
Garden.
Garden, just in time, MPVM Almaz. Well done, MPVM. Well, the teams on the semi-final have really done well. Remember, one team will qualify from level 1 to level 3. For this round, I'll exchange my laptop for a card. Jaipuria Jaipur, what is the name for the small mass of lymphatic tissue located in the wall of the pharynx at the rear of the throat of any of us, 9 of us here, since we are 8 boys and 1 man?
Thyroid.
Thyroid is your answer. No. Coming around to Ghaziabad, looking for 10 points, or are you going for a double?
Auditory nerve.
Nothing so complicated. St. John's, Chandigarh.
Epiglottis.
Yes. Not trying? Okay, so I'll give you the answer. Anyone in the audience knows the answer?
Tonsils.
Tonsil, yes, absolutely right. Bournvita Books of Knowledge for Bombay, Cambridge. Excellent, well done. A complete set of Bournvita Books of Knowledge for Bombay, Cambridge. What's your name?
Rohit Narulkar.
The next question, we're on to Ghaziabad, looking for 20 points. From science to food. What is a clear, sweetened jelly where pieces of fruit and fruit peels or fruit rinds are suspended?